genetic traits from all those who have come before us. And so it shall be.
You're telling me this is literally based on my genetics?
We're highly competitive, highly focused.
History class! I know. Boys, this is all that matters.
What?
Yes, let's go.
There's also choreographic memory.
Oh boy. What time does the boat get here?
You really thought we were gonna take you fishing on the Santa Monica Pier?
We're not going fishing.
I should have known when you didn't have your pulse. What have you concocted?
Remember those Ancestry DNA tests that we did?
Yeah.
We got our results back, and we figured it'd be fun to take you on a little Father's Day adventure down memory lane.
I would come down here every Wednesday for marine biology class, and I thought my career was maybe just going to be as a child actor, so I was looking to figure out what I was going to do as an adult. I decided I was going to be a marine biologist.
I do honestly wonder if it is coincidence or if it is in our DNA why we like the things we like.
And you got some results?
I do.
Show them to me.
We came here in this moment to figure out how much genetically you are actually similar to Chris Traeger from Parks and Rec with that sort of health freak competitive energy.
Chris Traeger famously said that he would be the first human being to live to be 150 years old. Let's see if my genetics actually support that possibility.
I
We
have
the
results.
science to back it up.
So you're telling me this is literally based on my genetics, what you're about to tell me?
This is your genetic reading. I have it right here on the phone.
I got it.
I know you're not very tech savvy. Just let me explain it to you.
Alright.
The first one is competitiveness. And it says competitive people tend to compare themselves to others. Most competitive folks want to stand out from the crowd and be recognized for their achievements. Wow, does that sound like you?
Is there an off-the-chart reading for that?
You, Rob, you're the highest likelihood to be competitive.
That
I am also of the highest likelihood to be competitive. And Matthew.
up top.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's win everything.
That's not so much of a surprise to me with us.
No, for sure.
Okay.
This is so. Wait, what else you got on? This is amazing.
The next one is focus. Being focused means channeling your
This
attention.
this could go either way.
I feel like we're all gonna be bad at this.
This could really
Interesting
go
that
either
I
way.
was reading it and you couldn't focus.
I couldn't
to let me
focus
finish
on
it.
it. I know.
Being focused means channeling your attention on an activity or goal, but it's not always easy to stay on task. We just learned that. Well, this is surprising because apparently you're likely to be focused.
No, but I get that. When I'm focused, I'm laser focused.
Nice.
I'm taking this win, and
No.
I'm leaving the casino.
Okay, but see, you have to learn about your kids now too.
Oh, okay.
I am also likely to be focused,
It's true.
as well as Matthew. What's really cool is Ancestry has another feature where you can see specifically which traits you got from which parents. Think about all the stuff we could learn about what I've inherited from you and the things we share. We're highly competitive, highly focused.
I love that.
The next trait we're going to learn about is sprinting. Rob is likely to be a sprinter.
I trained with the UCLA track team.
Did you really?
I did.
Do you feel like you could still sprint at your ripe old age?
100%. I'm having complete flashbacks of standing on this spot, waiting for the bus. All you need to picture is a 13-year-old all by himself with his little script, trying to learn it, working on his homework at the same time.
Which were you more focused on, script or homework?
Both.
Script.
Both. Pleasure to have
Okay.
in class.
The focus gene.
Pleasure to have in class.
As fun as it is to hear about your childhood bus home, this does segue nicely because we're going to go to your high school.
Ah, yes, the trophy room. Oh my God, wait. There's my high school yearbook.
Are we supposed to be touching things?
Nobody will be the wiser.
So you went to school with some other interesting people.
I did indeed. We got Robert Downey Jr. or Sean Penn. Oh, there's Emilio Estevez. Aw, that's before The Outsiders.
Were you not friends yet?
We were not friends yet. The Outsiders, then we became best friends when we got it. Who you got?
Downey,
Oscar winner?
Oscar winner, Robert Downey.
No way. I've never seen this photo. Let me see him sing.
Yeah. No junior back then, just Robert Downey.
Look at the hair. Everybody has such great hair.
Oh, I found you. Look, there you are.
Oh, my senior
There
class
you
picture.
are, yeah.
You haven't changed much.
No.
I think I look the same. I mean,
Hold on,
it's
look at
clearly me.
All right, hold on. Look at me. Smile. You look pretty similar.
I'm keeping it together.
Just rocking the better haircut these days.
Is there a gene about hair?
Yeah.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah.
Should we check out what some
Yep.
of the stuff is? Male pattern baldness.
Here we go. This, boys. This is all that matters.
I feel good about this.
Hit me.
All right, having long flowing locks or lamenting your loss, historically believed to be inherited from the maternal side.
The maternal
Male
side.
hair loss can actually be passed on from both parents. Male
go.
pattern baldness for 500. You are likely.
I am
wait.
likely to have male pattern baldness.
Oh, wow.
Let's.
Well, the lowest
Go.
likely, John Owen.
Wow.
Oh, but me too.
What?
Yes. Let's go.
I'm so bummed.
Hey, man, you look pretty good.
Congratulations.
Says here that you're likely to have a unibrow.
Is there any evidence of such a thing?
I don't know, do you pluck it?
You might be plucking it.
Question, when you were here, what was your favorite class?
I want to go find the classroom.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. History class. My favorite.
A man after my own heart.
Yeah, that's right. You and I are the history majors. I think it says something about somebody where they always choose to sit. I always up front.
Oh, never.
Pleasure having class.
No.
Oh no, this is it. Right here. I know. My grandpa was obsessed with history. Is that, do you think, something that
It's got to be in the
is
genes.
what is clearly, because it's 3 generations.
I can
of people.
check. I can check on
Let's check it.
Ancestry. What was his full name?
Robert Edward Lowe.
Okay. And what year would he have graduated?
1926.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah, I got him right here. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. It does kind of look like you.
Wow. It really looks like Grandpa.
Yeah.
It looks like Grandpa.
Yeah.
Does
Maybe
he not
young.
look exactly like your brother Justin?
He looks exactly like my brother Justin.
Check this out. Robert Lowe, Drama Club.
No
Wow.
way.
What about Grandpa Chuck? Can we find anything on him?
Yeah, I'm sure, yeah. Chuck Lowe, 1950. There he is, look.
Oh,
Chuck
there he
Lowe.
Look at that picture.
It says Chuck Lowe examines a castmate's
Feet.
broken leg,
Oh, okay.
which was hurt in a make-believe fall. He was one of the leads in his senior class play.
The drama thing is interesting, in particular that it's run 1, 2, 3, 4 generations.
Yeah.
It would be fun to go break into the theater.
Let's not break.
go.
Backstage at my high school theater. I love all like the graffiti on the walls and like who signed it.
Anyone you know?
Whoa! Oh my God! No way. Okay, the actors of 1980. Look who's up there: Emilio Estevez. I think about all the auditions here, all the auditions I had.
What about Footloose?
Yes. Okay. Yeah, that was not good. That was. Do you know that story?
I have heard this story 75 times.
Well, you're gonna hear it for the 76. Cool. They had only dance auditions. They didn't care what you were like as an actor. You had to dance first. I'm not a dancer. No. I trained for like weeks. Do the audition. I'm dancing my heart out. Ends with a knee slide across the floor. Hit my knees, slide across the floor, and blow out my ACL. I was taken out of the soundstage
Right here, huh?
on a stretcher. Yes. Would you say you're?
I've definitely got more rhythm than you. I was a DJ.
I'm not sure that has anything.
I think that
That has
translates.
anything
It's like
to do
going
with
like
it.
this.
I think I would have
Or
the most
standing.
rhythm.
You beat Matt.
I've played piano since I was
this
5 years old.
Has nothing to do with dancing.
I'm not sure it translates, but we could check it out.
Let's do it.
See who's the best dancer. So I've got results here. Don't peek. This one is called dancing enjoyment. It says love to dance or always a wallflower. Whether or not you like dancing can have a genetic component. And it says that Rob is likely to enjoy dancing, which
Well, we
doesn't
know
surprise
that.
me. Yeah, he likes anything that involves attention. I am personally unlikely to enjoy dancing.
I don't think I've ever seen you dance.
Bust a move out at the club. Not
Same.
unlikely to enjoy dancing.
I think the last time I danced was like 8th grade formal dance or something.
That makes sense. Okay. There's also choreographic memory.
Oh boy.
which says performing choreography means doing a series of memorized movements. This trait tells you how well you can learn the moves.
I think this is why we're not TikTokers.
So Rob is the least likely category to memorize choreography.
Okay, this is how I know this is legit.
Well, I share that from you. I got that. Matthew, you're in the same camp.
Checks
All three
out.
of us.
So I was fighting genetics in Footloose,
Yeah.
my audition. I had no hope. Enough of this. Here, I'm gonna prove that this whole thing is on the up and up because, here we go, I'm gonna give it a shot. We've just proved from my own DNA that I am terrible at learning choreography.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Chris Traeger liked to dance, and I know you were proud of that dance.
Yes.
So show us a little bit of Chris Traeger dance moves.
Dancing on the ceiling, I can't stop this feeling.
Oh my God.
Cause you make me feel.
See, I love dancing. He's not good at it.
Yeah, you can stop.
We got one more thing planned for you. We're gonna call Grandpa Chuck.
Yay!
No Father's Day would be complete.
We're celebrating Father's Day over here, and we thought of you.
Isn't that wonderful?
So today we've been on a journey dealing with our genetics.
Grandpa, are you a good dancer?
I took ballroom dancing lessons when I was in the 6th grade.
Do you feel like you would remember a single dance move you've ever learned?
Oh, dude, of course. High school, that's all we did was dance and fight. It was the Fonzie day.
You know where I am? We're at Santa Monica High School. We came back here to see my high school.
But there was no diploma.
Oh, see, that's how you know he's a dad. He's like, well, I just want to see the diploma. We love you, Grandpa.
Happy
You look
Father's
great.
Day.
Thank you. Happy Father's Day to you.
Thank you guys. This was the greatest Father's Day gift. I mean, it's great just to be with you guys, but to be taken on this journey on family and how we came to be who we are and was baked in genetically. It was super amazing, I thought.
It was fun.
Yeah.
Thanks for doing it with us.
You guys know how important you guys are to me and how important family is to me. And to be able to talk to my dad on Father's Day with you, I'll remember it for a long time.
Oh,
So will we.
love you.
Love you.
Celebrate Father's Day by visiting Ancestry.com to learn which genetic traits may have been passed down through the generations to you.